Whoa, you guys see that bubble? What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Slimeatory! Alright guys, today I am doing a part 2 to the putting too much ingredients in slime. You guys seem to really like the first one, so I was like, you know what, let's do a second one. So we're gonna do a second one now. Okay guys, and basically that's it. Today's like my challenge though, and it's gonna be, you have to spin it around, like that. And that person like button in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guys do it? Did I trick you? Alright, let's get straight on into the video. What, yo? Alright, first thing to do guys is cornstarch. So, come on over. So, first we're gonna start with some regular Elmer's school glue. Alrighty, and which color should I make it? Red, blue, pink, or yellow? I don't know.
3 days later.
I don't know. We're just gonna make it blue. Ugh, why did I mix it? Whatever. I was gonna use my fork to put the cornstarch, but I forgot. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and add the cornstarch. So usually I add like that much, right? Or like this much. But this time we're gonna add like this much. So let's see. I have made slime like this in the past, like really back then. It doesn't turn out too bad, but I don't really remember how it turns out. It turns out like really thick and pasty. So this is actually how you make butt slime, I think, actually. All right, let's go ahead and activate. Okay, I'm almost done with it, guys. All right, here's the slime, guys. Here's how it turned out. It turned out very, very thick. It doesn't even make any poking noises. Texture, it's pretty cool. It's a bit hard to move around though, because like when you stretch it, it kind of like resists because it's kind of dry, but it's pretty cool. All right, let's get on to the next one. Next we're gonna do lotion. So I've kind of done, I like to put a lot of lotion in my slimes because they make it super glossy and they came in kind of thick at the same time. So whoopsies. So usually I'd put like this much for like a butter slime or for a regular slime. This much because I want to. So we're gonna put like double that amount, like this much because it's too much. All right, so let's mix that. I wonder how this is gonna turn out. Whoa, it almost is like lotion itself. All right, we're gonna make this one peach color. Try like pink and yellow. Let's mix it. Alrighty, let's go ahead and activate. I wonder how this is gonna turn out because I put a lot of lotion in there. Ooh, it turned into like a coral color or like a salmon pink. Let's activate. More activator. Alright, we're all done making it. Here's how it turned out, guys. It's kind of sticky still, but like it doesn't, no, it stretches. Okay, I think I can add some more activator because it's kind of sticky. All right, so it's super glossy. I really love the glossiness, and it's super duper soft, which I really like too. So honestly, I would make some like slimes like this just to have, because it's kind of like a really soft, jiggly, glossy slime. But like, you know how jiggly slimes, when you make them with water, they're kind of like thin? This one is like still kind of thick, and it's really nice. I really want to see how this will turn out when it's like all cleared out with no bubbles. I'm trying to add more activator because it's kind of sticky still. Like, it's so weird the way that it's sticky. All right, here's the slime. Add more activator. It's still pretty sticky. It's like really droopy too. Really runny. Whoa, you guys see that bubble? Okay, well, a little tip, guys, if you want to make bubbles, I guess just add more lotion to your slime and it will be better at bubbles. Whoa, the bubbles on this is so nice. Alrighty, well that is it for this one. I like this one a lot. I think it's gonna be like my favorite from doing this. It's so nice. Alrighty guys, next we're gonna do is jelly cubes. So we have this whole box of cut up sponges for jelly cube. Now all we need to do is make the slime. Alright, so first gonna need some clear glue, guys. I have some Elmer's clear glue right here. We're gonna make like that much. Since this is Elmer's clear glue, I'm gonna add a little bit of this hair gel just to kind of soften it up because it's gonna be like really thick. And since usually like freshly activated new clear slime is like super like hard and thick. So I'm gonna add some of this gel to make it kind of softer. And it is kind of fogging up right now, but I think it's gonna go back to normal in a second. I hope it unfogs up. Uh-oh, whatever. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and add some pink food coloring. Oh no, I got it on my finger, no. Now I got a pink finger. Okay, there's some pink food coloring. I think that should be enough because it's clear. Ooh, that's pretty. Usually the hair gel kind of fogs it up because, well, I don't know why, but then it usually kind of clears out. So, I don't know what's wrong with this one. I feel like maybe because it's like Elmer's glue, it's like thicker, so maybe it needs longer. But we're gonna go ahead and activate it now. By the way, guys, when making jelly cube slime, or yeah, is that what it's called, jelly cube? Yeah. You're gonna wanna go ahead and like leave your slime a bit sticky, like how you would make like the slushy or foam one. Alrighty, I am all done with the slime. I left it a bit sticky. Here it is. I think it cleared up. I kind of feel like it did, but whatever. Alrighty, guys, so we have the slime here. I'm gonna go ahead and add some glitters because I haven't added any. And I have clear slime here. I decided to add these little holographic stars I got from Amazon. They are amazing. I've had it for so long now and I haven't used them, and they are beautiful and I like them a lot, so I decided to use them. They're so pretty. Alrighty, and then we'll add some of these little flowers. I don't know if they're gonna look good, but I don't think you guys can even see them actually. Alright, I think that's good. Let's go ahead and add the foam beads. Oh, not the foam beads, what the heck? I mean the jelly cubes. I'm wondering if I should mix this right now. Yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and just put a bunch of foam beads. Why do I keep saying foam beads? Alright, usually I'd put like half of this, so like this much, like this much probably. So that's usually how much I would put. That's probably how much I would put regularly, maybe a little bit less. So now we're gonna put double the amount and put like this much, the rest that we put. This is gonna be interesting. Put some more. I think we can stick some more in there. Also, the jelly cubes kind of like soak up the slime after a while, so this is probably not even gonna be slime anymore. Ooh, this is honestly not that bad. Like, I love how squishy it is. Alright, I feel like I'm gonna add a little bit more. Alright, well this slime is going to turn out pretty interesting. I cannot wait till it clears up, but yeah, here it is. I honestly really like how crunchy it is, but after a while it's going to be kind of firm again, but right now it's super crunchy and it's really nice. Alright, well, that's it for this one, and yeah. I don't know if I like the lotion one or this one better, because this one really turned out really cool. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you comment down below if you guys want to do a part 3, and also what you want me to do, because I don't know what to do. I think I've like done a lot of stuff, so I don't know what to do next. But yeah, that is it guys. Thank you so much, and I really hope I see you next time. Bye!